Good.
Nice.
Watch your fingers.
I cannot complain.
Fucking awesome, dude. We've been
And this is
sawing.
the small one too.
Shit, that right there would be enough for us to get by. You want to lop off that one right there over there?
We've been sawing forever, dude.
Remember the one were you there the way we all got stuck on the one that everybody ate shit in?
Maybe.
It's the one where literally everybody but Sterling and Gus, I think, dropped their bike.
Maybe.
Dude, that thing's badass. I gotta get me one.
Hell yeah, man! And they make one for D-Wall.
That's what I'm saying.
Fucking awesome.
I gotta get one of those, and then I want the full size one. I'd take that little one off above your head.
That's this one, right?
Yeah, that one. And then if you want to keep going, I would take out that little one back there.
Good.
Well, I didn't know if.
So we can do it so a car can get by. If the car comes over.
I mean, hey, you already put the saw together now.
It's so fucking cool, man.
Now, how's it doing on battery?
That is fucking impressive, dude. And this is like a
Yeah.
wet, sappy wood, man.
Now, has it ate the battery in it all yet?
Dude, that's
No.
don't matter. We like.
Oh no! Hell yeah! If you're gonna cut that one back, I'd cut the one off above your head. He needs to move first.
There we go.
Then I'd get the one right here if you're gonna cut that piece off anymore. Or don't.
Yeah.
That's why I said take that one down first, because it whacked your helmet.
That is awesome.
Dude, let's see real quick. Before you take it apart. Let me test drive this
So
little
like
bastard.
this is the bolt that holds it in, and
And that's
this
just a
is the
lock.
tensioner right here.
That's badass.
Oh yeah, see, loosen that up, turn that, tighten the chain up, tighten the bolt down.
Dude, that's so cool, man.
I want to test drive this little thing real quick.
The thing was like $45. Yeah. So cool.
That little thing's badass. This one was what, $40?
Yeah, something like that.
That's well worth it.